Hi there. In this video, we will cover the day view in your TechMan dashboard. Let's walk you through the TechMan dashboard, which is designed to give you a clear overview of everything happening in your garage. There are three main views: month, day, and calendar. Each one gives you a slightly different perspective, helping you easily manage bookings. Right now, we're looking at the day view, which is split into three main sections. On the left, you've got your booked column, which is where you'll find your date selector. This always defaults to today, but you can use the arrows to move forward or back, either by a single day or a whole month. There's also a handy Today button that instantly brings you back to the current date, no matter where you've navigated. Just below that, you'll see your tallies. These track key service items like MOTs, services, and courtesy cars. They don't just show how many of each service you've got booked for the day, they also link directly to specific jobs, so you can see exactly where those numbers come from. Further down, you've got your hours tracking. The system automatically calculates your total available hours based on your technician's working times, including any breaks. You'll also see a live tally of invoiced hours, the total work booked for today, and the number of hours still available to sell. This means you can instantly see if you're overbooked, underbooked, or right on track. Below all that is a list of new jobs booked for today that haven't yet arrived on site. Each entry shows you the vehicle's details, customer name, allocated time, and any relevant tally markers. If you click the magnifying glass icon, you can quickly preview the job, update its status, assign a key tag, confirm customer details, or even record a payment. Once a vehicle arrives, you can simply drag and drop its job card into the Work in Progress column in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll track all ongoing work broken down by job status. These statuses are fully customizable, so you can set them up to match your internal workflow, including assigning different colors to make things easier to spot. As the job moves through your process, you just drag it from one status to the next, keeping everything updated in real time. When a job is finished, it moves into Work Complete, ready for invoicing. Once invoiced, it will show under Awaiting Payment, along with any outstanding balance. And finally, on the right side of the screen, you've got the Technician column, which shows all of your available configured technicians. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.